Are you looking for the best swimming pool lights in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best swimming pool lights. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the LOGUIDE floating pool lights. Floating lights always create a really elegant vibe in a pool, and these take things to the next level aesthetically. You can choose from lights shaped like a butterfly, a dragonfly, or a frog. These are the dragonfly lights and they make a real conversation piece. Made from rugged foam, the colors will endure rather than fading and diminishing the effect. Set on a lotus leaf design, the lights are designed to float in your pool. The battery box underneath is fully waterproof, too, so you'll have no niggling safety concerns about dropping these nifty LEDs in your pool at home. Each of the lights comes with a battery that yields roughly 100 hours of continuous use. This battery is replaceable, but you'll be locked into buying ongoing replacements. Giving the energy efficiency of these lights, though, you'll more than recoup the cost on the energy saving you'll make compared to incandescent lights. There's a decent spread of colors including cyan, yellow, white, and purple, alongside the red, blue, and green lights you'd expect. A few disgruntled users have pointed out the absence of a timer on these lights, but the vast bulk of user testimony is overwhelmingly positive. You could also use these lights to highlight water features, ponds, or pool landscaping, giving you a great deal of variety at your fingertips. See what you think of these hard-hitting LEDs. Moving on at number 4. We have the iled light pool lights. Iled Light has a heavy presence in his vertical with Just Cause. They make superb lighting solutions, and they price them well within most people's budget. You can't argue with the price-performance ratio here, so what do you get in terms of performance? Don't be fooled into thinking the 36-watt lights won't be bright enough. Like all LEDs, you'll get dramatically improved efficiency, which means that these bulbs kick out the same brightness as incandescent lights with far higher wattages. These are color-changing lights offering you reds, blues, and greens to bathe your pool in a wonderfully relaxed ambiance when evening falls. As well as 7 static color modes, you can also choose from 8 animation modes to wow your guests and keep the kids entertained. From color transitions to fades, enjoy some great effects fuss-free. There's also a memory function so your most recently used settings are restored when you next hit the pool. You can take advantage of switch control or remote control, so you have all bases covered. You'll need to get a battery for the remote control as the manufacturer doesn't include one. Of the multiple configurations at your disposal, this version is the 120-volt RGB rated at 36 watts. There are many other options if this doesn't make a smooth fit. At number 3, we have the Intex magnetic pool lights. Next up in our selection of the best pool lighting comes these dinky LEDs from Intex. How do they differentiate themselves, then? Well, the primary selling point here is the straightforward installation. The innovative magnetic mounting system means you'll need no tech skills, and you'll need no DIY expertise either. The lights are designed to be mounted to the sides of soft-sided PVC pools, above-ground pools specifically. If you opt for the in-pool lights from this brand, they are powered wirelessly. The outlet connection comes with a lengthy 26-foot cable, so you should have ample freedom here. This also means you won't need to concern yourself with replacing or charging batteries. These lights are offered in both white and colored form for the inside lights. The outside pool lights are only available in white. The lights are guaranteed for 2 years, allowing to buy with complete confidence. If you run into any snags at any point, you'll find customer service is fairly responsive and helpful. Suitable for adequately illuminating pools to 24 feet in length, you're getting an all-round lighting solution at a very reasonable price point, so what are you waiting for? At number 2, we have the Loftek dimmable pool lights. If you want to create a grotto-like atmosphere poolside, why not consider some floating pool lights? Loftek gives you some superb examples here, so how do they shape up? First things first, you need to choose the size of lighting. There are 7 sizings at your disposal from 3 inches through to 24 inches at the upper end. Choose in line with the dimensions of your pool. This model features 16-inch balls and falls roughly in the middle of the impressive range. Now, these LED globes are multi-purpose and would be just at home inside your house or on the decking as floating in the pool. If you choose to pop them in the pool, and we're sure you will, then the lights are completely waterproof. They are rated IP65. The shell of the balls is made from toy-grade polyurethane made with one-shot molding. Dust-proof as well as waterproof, there are no gaps in sight here. The lights are not only waterproof, but they'll also float on the surface, too, making a real spectacle for swimmers. You'll benefit from 16 static RGB colors and 5 brightness levels. You can choose from 4 dynamic lighting modes, and you can take charge from the bundled remote control for a seamless experience. You can also use button controls for complete versatility. And finally at number 1. We have the Happox pool light for in-ground pools. Our overall favorite pool lights from the dozen sets we review today comes from the highly reputable Happox. If you have older incandescent lights in your pool, you'll doubtless find them very inefficient and costly to run. Invest in these LEDs and you'll benefit from lights rated at just 50 watts but generating comparable brightness to incandescents of 300 to 800 watts. The best part? You'll achieve that brightness while using up to 80% less electricity. Throw in a 50,000-hour lifespan and you're getting the most cost-effective pool lighting imaginable. The traditionally styled bulb is super simple to screw in, replacing your older and less efficient lights. The bulb itself measures 3.74 by 4.72 inches, and it's designed to slot neatly into most pool housings like Hayward or Pentair. It doesn't make a good fit for smaller spa fixtures though. You can choose from multiple configurations with these pool lights. This is the 120-volt colored version. There's also a 12-volt alternative, and RGB lights. This version will not support 12 volts, so make sure you get this right before committing to purchase. The ultra-bright Osram chips are ideally suited for pool lighting. Backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee, you really can't ask for too much more when it comes to pool lighting, and these lights are pretty keenly priced considering the exceptional performance. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.